Hey everyone, I am finishing up a painting that we painted in my workshop. The Art of Letting Go just finished up. We had 5 days of painting. It was amazing. I'm so proud of everyone who was a participant, and you guys are doing such a great job loosening up now. But I wanted to make sure that you guys know, those of you who are not in the workshop, that my creative community is open. And my creative community is basically my painting membership. And I can see this in my camera and I can tell what I need to do. I'm finishing this up, but we are going to be open to new members through the 8th of May. And if you like painting loosely, if you like painting florals, if you like painting with acrylics, if you are interested at all in learning about color and how that works, if you want to be in a group of like-minded artists who are all super nice, super helpful, encouraging, then that's definitely the place for you. And I would love for you to join us if that's something that you're interested in. But I'm going to finish up. Probably not going to finish it. I'm going to work on this a little bit more and let you guys join me. And I may have to back it up just a little because I'm a little bit too close. And I can't decide if I want to keep this container this color. I may change it a little bit. And yeah, I think I will change it. I think I want it to be more of a light blue color. I don't know. We'll see what happens. No, I don't like that at all. So let's go back to yellow. I'm going to do some yellow ochre instead and make it look a little more, maybe make it look a little more like a brass container. And I think I'm going to put like a little pedestal type bottom on it. Let's see if that makes it look a little better. I've also done some paintings where I've created like a basket that the flowers are in, and I like the way that looks too. So, what do you think? I definitely like the yellow better than the blue. We're gonna go with that. But I need some darker color underneath it to let it kind of anchor it down here. Okay. That is definitely looking better. And like it. You can change things. If you don't like the way something looks, you just change it. I think my bowl needs to be bigger that way. And definitely lighter on this side. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there, let it dry, and I'll come back and look at it later. That's one of the things that I have to do when I'm painting, especially if I'm painting large. I have to leave it for a little while, maybe even leave the room and come back and work on it some more later. But if you're interested, I taught how to paint this entire thing in the workshop today. We got this far. Everyone who joins my creative community also gets access to that workshop. So if you're interested in the workshop, we painted for 5 days. I can't find all the things in here that we painted, but we painted for 5 days, and it was a lot of fun. Lots and lots of information. And if you're interested, I will leave a link down below and you can come in and join us. We're open through May the 8th. See you later. Bye.